Hey folks, welcome to Pig Paw Shop. I got a new to me product right here from the Jessamine company. I think that's how you pronounce that. They sent this to me, asked me if I'd do a review of it. It comes just like this in this box. But more importantly than the box, it comes in this case. Now if you've seen my other videos, you know I like a good case. I like a good case I can carry stuff in and store stuff in, and such is the case here. It feels fairly solid. Let's see what we got here in it. Look, this is a complete case, a complete kit. Instructions are wonderful. Look, comes with two lithium-ion batteries. This is a 4,000 milliamp, 4-amp battery. Got two of them. Okay. Comes with the charger. Batteries aren't any good if you can't charge them, so we got a single unit charger here. That's a belt clip for holding the tool to your hip. So here's the half-inch drive impact. Nice and heavy on the top end. Got that good solid motor up there, and the back place for the battery at the bottom. See what we got here in this box. Got a box over here. Got something in it. See what we got. Oh my! It came with sockets. I did not realize there were sockets in there. Look, got 5 deep well sockets to go with this impact wrench. You've got the what we got here, 19 millimeter. We got 21 millimeter. Got a 14 millimeter. Got a 17 millimeter. And we've got a 22 millimeter. So there you go. Everything you need. Well, not everything you need, but there's 5 sockets. There's your impact driver, a half-inch drive, and 2 batteries with a charger. I want them batteries charged up. Let's see. Got an indicator on it. Press that indicator button, lit up, and she is ready to go. Okay, and let's see how those sockets fit, because that's important too. And yep. Here's what, yeah, I want them to come off. I've had some before. Stick on there, can't get them off. But not the case here. Forward reverse. Sounds pretty good to me. Comes off, that'll wear in a little bit. Hey, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to find me an opportunity to use this in my everyday work. May do some tire rotating today. I don't know, we'll see. But all in all, listen, this is a good set. It comes in this box. Everything you need right in one place, including 7 deep well sockets to put on that impact driver. There you go, Jessamine half-inch drive impact tool set. I think it's going to work out good for me. If it works out good for me, I believe it'll work out good for you. So y'all give it a look. And in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.